Now here's another good reason why I'm taking the staples out from this paper. I've removed the paper, and this paper is only 3 foot wide, and they installed that down there. You don't have to install that under floor anymore, but in the old days that's what they did, and they did that for a vapor barrier because this is a wood subfloor. Okay, and so that's all they had. They had 3 foot wide paper. They rolled it out, and so where the seams are, they overlapped this piece on top of this piece. Around the edges, they might have overlapped again. A couple places I had 3 layers of paper on top of each other in the corners and stuff where they didn't cut it right the first and second time. And then on all the overlaps. So if you leave those staples and you say, I'm just going to pound them in with a hammer, screw it, that's going to be good enough. Well, now that area, as you pull everything up, you see all the last little bits of black paper. Some of them might have 2 layers of black paper under them, so the staple is going to be stuck up from the floor. If you were to remove the black paper and looked how high up that staple was, it's probably it could be up close to a 1/16 of an inch, or maybe more. Okay, and so that's the other reason why I thought, it's only 1 floor. It's not like doing an entire house. If it was doing an entire house, we're talking about what kind of flooring was going to go in there, I might talk to the flooring guy personally and explain to him what we got and ask him what his thoughts were and all that kind of stuff. But because this is a condo, it's not that much stuff, and you know, it's taken me an extra couple hours on this whole entire floor project. Do I really want to spend 20 minutes to get a hold of the carpet guy's office and then have her talk to the guy and then have the guy call me and back and forth all day long just to find something out that ultimately could have saved me an hour or 2 on the project? No, I'm not going to do that. But because this is vinyl flooring, because it's in here in the kitchen, the main hallway, the main front room, I'm just doing it so I can do it right. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.